So finally, most awaited gaming PC build is here. This PC comes with newly launched RTX 4070 Super and Intel i7-14700K with 20 cores and 28 threads. For this PC build, we have used Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Elite AX Wi-Fi version 2 DDR5 motherboard, and we have used 2 sticks of 16GB to make it 32GB clocked at 6000 MHz DDR5 RAM. For storage, we have used 2 TB of SN850X SSD, which makes this PC build the perfect PC build for gaming. To power this PC, we have used ROG Strix 850G 80 Plus Gold fully modular SMPS, and to cool down this perfect PC build, we have used Corsair H150, as always the best liquid cooler as per the price. And to make it cool, and for the RGBs, we have used NZXT H6 Flow RGB case. At last, this PC cost around 2 lakhs, but you can easily build this PC with this combination at 1.7-1.8 lakhs. So follow us for more PC builds like this.